Hey guys, today I'm going to start stripping down the Carrera and get a pretty cool paint job done on it. Obviously doing it all myself, so I will run a time-lapse video of taking it apart, stripping it down and then painting it. So hopefully it's going to look pretty cool at the end. So it's going to go a matte black with a rainbow, like a glitter, and then I'm going to put a clear coat over the top of it, so and it protects it all. So guys, I'm going to get straight into it, and I hope you enjoy the video. See you soon. So guys, there you go, that's the Carrera frame stripped down to nothing. These are painted on, so they're going to be easy to cover. I couldn't get that bottom bracket clamp out, so that's going to stay there, that doesn't matter. Just got to sand it over lightly just to take that slight sheen off it, and it'll be ready for painting. There you go guys, matte black already on there. It will need another coat, you see. Leave it to dry for about 10 minutes and then I'll stick another coat on it. Hopefully the weather holds. Well guys, second layer's on. In typical British weather, it is very finely raining out here, so I've had to move it pretty much under my balcony. So yeah, the old fumes are a bit strong because they come straight in the door. But I'm going to put, like I say, I'm going to put 2 coats on, which I've already done. This Cobra paint, it dries really quick, which is good. So I'm going to leave it, so about 5-10 minutes, and then I'll start putting the flake on the holographic stuff, which is there. It's in a can of warm water, so it will make the paint flow a bit better because it's warmer. So I'm going to give that a few more minutes, and then we'll get on and put some colour on it. It's going to be even better in direct sunlight, but you get the idea. Guys, job done. It was a little bit rushed, but I've done it within a few hours. I did cheat a little bit when I used that to dry the paint quicker, but it's come out quite nice. It's pretty smooth. Obviously it'll need polish once it's fully cured. Did have a bit of a moment where the when I put the glitter spray on, it kind of went really cloudy. I had a couple of runs in the paint, whatever, but using that heat sorted it out, because it sort of softened the paint and then it ran down and smoothed. So you can't even see the run now, because I had a real bad run down there. But putting the heat on it has smoothed the paint out. Yeah, there was a couple of runs and I've got a little fingerprint on the back of it somewhere, on the back of the seat tube. But super shiny, super glittery. It's gonna look awesome in the when the sun comes out. There's a little bit there that didn't get much glittery stuff on it, but it doesn't matter. But yes, that's done. I'm just going to let it dry for a few hours and then I can get the bike rebuilt. Awesome. Anyway guys, that's going to be the end of the video now, because like I say, I've got to leave it to dry. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Enjoy riding guys. Cheers.